Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa to the Kingdom of Eswatini, which was also called Swaziland. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply any visa or anything, the very first thing you need to do is to find out if you really need it or not. Because based on your purpose, duration, and nationality, you may or may not need a visa. So let's check this information officially. So as of now, I have opened this Embassy of Kingdom of Eswatini website, which is in Belgium, like Belgium embassy site. This I could find. So under immigration section, I have information that following nationals, see if your country is listed here or not. Great Britain, Australia, Austria, Canada, a lot of countries are here. Do not need visas. Okay. Visitor from other countries must obtain visas at the airport free of do not need visa. Visitor from other countries in the European countries, European community may obtain visa at airport free of charge. So if your country is not listed here, what you're going to do? You're going to open this link, okay, for other countries. I'm going to open and we are going to see. Yeah. So this is a good table where every country they have written yes or no, whether you need a visa or you don't. So by referring to this, you can find out that if a visa is required for your country and nationality or not. Then, in case you need, how you are going to apply, that also we need to know. So on the same page, if you go down, they have given the information that what we got to do. First of all, fee for single entry. This is the fee. Multiple entry and duration. You can see at some point it's very high. Wow. Requirements for visa application. Visa application form, cover letter, valid passport 3 months before reaching the date of expiry. Okay. Proof of residence by host. Okay. Perfect. Visa upon arrival. This is done after the host or tourist made an undertaking. Okay. All right. Now, how you're going to apply? You can apply to Ministry of Home Affairs or Citizenship, or alternatively, their mission embassy to your nearest to your location. Okay. Now we need to see the form that they have. So the form link is here. You can click here and get. I have, I think, opened already. Okay. Okay. I will open it. I think I should open it, not opened here. No worries, I can. Okay, very simple form, Word document, family name, other name, date of birth, citizenship, country of residence, address. Have you been there before? Proposed date in arrival, proposed date of entry, purpose, family members, yes, no. And then enclose, print complete form and duplicate. So two portions here. That's now wherever you're going to submit, you can confirm if this what's going to be the mode of payment. They haven't described. Maybe check, maybe draft. I don't know. So based on the location where you are applying, you can check with them how they are going to accept this payment. So thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.